Today I want to talk about a topic that is rapidly changing the world as we know it, the rise of AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming industries from healthcare to finance, and even changing the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. From Siri and Alexa, to chatbots and self-driving cars, AI is becoming an increasingly important part of our lives. AI is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, learning from experience, and problem solving. Machine learning is a subset of AI, where computers are able to learn and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. So why is AI and machine learning growing so rapidly? One of the main reasons is the exponential growth of data, which AI and machine learning algorithms can use to learn and improve. There's no doubt that AI and machine learning will continue to play a huge role in shaping the future of our world. Leave a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and follow my page for more tech-related content.